Hey guys, I'm Siddharth from Gadget Gizmo, and in this video I'll be talking about the Amazon Echo Dot 3. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you get notified for future updates. So now let's get started. So let us check this out. So first of all, starting with the design and the build, it comes in many colors, but I chose to buy the black one. So it looks really cool, as you can see here. And here also, as you can see, this is an auxiliary port where you can connect your other Bluetooth headphones. And as you can see here, these are the controls. So let us talk about these also. So this is the plus sign. So this you can press for increasing the volume and this for decreasing the volume. Also this is for invoking Alexa using the touch button. And this one is for the mute option. So you can use this also. And also overall the design and the build feels very premium, especially given the price range. So I would highly recommend. In my opinion, it looks better than the Google Assistant. So you can Google Home Mini, so you can tell me which design which you prefer. Also here, as you can see, there is the barcode also, and here is the branding of Amazon here. So overall a very nice and good feeling product. So now let us talk about the sound quality of this device. So the sound quality was pretty excellent, and it has a decent amount of all the frequencies. The highs, the mid-range and the lows were all pretty well balanced. And a good thing about this product is that it gets fairly loud. So it is decently loud to fill in a decent sized room. So that is, I think, very good. But the only con that I thought about the device was that it is not very detailed. So the sound quality is not very accurate and detailed. So if you want a detailed reproduction, I think you might prefer a dedicated Bluetooth speaker. But for a smart speaker, I think of this size, definitely, it sounds pretty accurate and pretty nice. Alexa, who is Bill Gates?
According to Wikipedia, William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate, software developer.
So there is that question, and let us now ask it some more questions. Alexa,
he is best known.
How tall is he?
Bill Gates is 5 feet 9 inches tall. Did that answer your question?
So as you can see, it answered my question, and it was fairly quick with the responses, and it was accurately able to answer related questions also. So let us now ask it another question. Alexa, what is the height of the Eiffel? Alexa, who is Bill Gates?
According to Wikipedia, William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate, software developer.
So there is that question, and let us now ask it some more questions. Alexa,
he is best known.
How tall is he?
Bill Gates is 5 feet 9 inches tall. Did that answer your question?
So as you can see, it answered my question, and it was fairly quick with the responses, and it was accurately able to answer related questions also. So let us now ask it another question. Alexa, what is the height of the Eiffel Tower? Alexa, what is the height of the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is 300 meters tall.
Alexa, what is the value of pi?
The approximate value of pi is 3.1415926535897932384626.
So all in all, I would say this is a pretty decent product. It answered all my questions, and it is fairly nicely built and fairly well designed. I feel that its design is superior to the Google Home Mini, although you can argue otherwise also, but design is a matter of personal preference. It sounds very nice also, and is comparable to very dedicated Bluetooth speakers in this price range. So it is quite good in my opinion. It can easily fill a decent size room. But the only con with it is that you have to keep it plugged in while you are using it, so that is a con. Also, the closest competitor would be the Google Home Mini, and I've used it also. So design is a matter of preference, but I felt this design was better than the Google Home Mini. Also, I felt in the sound quality department, the Echo Dot sounded far better than the Google Home Mini. But in one area where the Google Home Mini is better, definitely, it is the assistant area. So the Google Assistant is definitely better than Alexa, and it answers most of your questions. So that is where the Google Home Mini really excels. So this is my video, and hope you like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and write down in the comments below about what videos you would like to see further. This is Siddharth signing off. Hope to see you in the next video.